Match-22, Bolts versus the Tigers from Zayed.
Let's play.
A little bit of shape there, you mentioned that.
Flipped away leg side. I thought Ajman Daniel will have to make a bit of a improvised play, and he has done. That's the first boundary of the innings, and a nice one too.
And that'll come later. And that's come later, it's come early. Oh, fetch this. Hales is happy with Brooks. Quite a good bit of connection to get off the mark and start. So entertaining. And he says, let me entertain you. With back-to-back boundaries, they're sixes. Beauty. Slower one. Tried the slower one. Worth the try. But a lovely bit of timing nonetheless from Hales. He's rattling along here now. Sounded good. That is. It's another 4. 24.
Oh, what a beautiful bit of nimble footwork from Alex Baz Hales. That's a great 6 down the ground.
And again. Fat this. And does. Splicey. Smaller side of the boundary. It is, and he gets enough of it. Does Ajman Daniel.
Got to be out. Has to be out. Given out. Slowly. But it's out.
And that is as out gets. Shakib knew it. Umpire knew it. Ajman Daniel on his way for 27 off 18. Ajman Bolts are 77 for 1. Crunched through the offside. And that will be 4 more to Alex Hales. That's another 4 to Alex Hales in a half century. Third 50 in the Abu Dhabi T10 for Alex Hales.
And this is why Alex Hales has been a force in the shorter form of the game, because literally out of form really and struggling, and then all of a sudden what quality does is it finds a way.
Shot. Stands tall and just pumps it down the ground for 4, Nisham. That'll be 4 more. That is just slightly too full from Payne, and Nisham gets a hold of it for 100. 100 comes up for 1. He's gone into the pads and it's over the head. It's a poor line. Really poor line. He's got 3 fielders offside on the boundary. And he's fired it into the pads. He knows it's a poor one. Oh, full again. Hales bangs it. Downtown. 6 more. 16 off the over so far. 1 to go. Swings that leg side for 4.
That's the line, isn't it? It starts, I think, about leg stump. Last ball! Climbed into it. It's into the inflatables. What a way to finish the innings.
16 from it. Rashid's gone for 30 in his 2. We built him up before the game. Most economical spinner in the tournament. Not today, Rashid Khan. Alex Hales been all over you today. 75 off 30 for Hales. His first score of the tournament of real substance. Head down, swing through the line, short side of the ground. up onto Niall O'Brien's shark, I think. He said he was going up there, Niall O'Brien. He was going up for a bounce a couple of days ago. 10 overs have gone for the Ajman Bolts. First game up today. Opening partnership 77, Siobhan Daniel and Alex Hales, and then that combination of Hales and Neesham, 56 off 28, has propelled the Bolts to 133 for 1.
1 for 17, Shakib was probably the pick of the bowling. Good from David Payne. Remember, he bowled in the power play and then also bowled the floating batting power play. So only non-21, that's quite good. And a couple of overs for Iftikhar, a little bit expensive. 27 from his 2.
The Bangla Tigers will have 134 needed.
Straight away, off and running. Beautiful timing, better. He looks like he's back in form after that. Inside edge, and you could hear Berendorf shout, "No, wrong line, Jason." Now then, outside edge, just gets it over. And this will run away. Mujib into the attack. Again to that man, Jimmy Neesham underneath it. He won't drop that. So took the man on.
Now you mentioned Alex Hales. Here's another big bloke with big bucket hands. That's why you have these two in the hot zone. Long on, long off, this time long on. And he can't believe he hasn't cleared him. Took him on, did Shazad. He does that. And the pocket rocket's got to go for just half a dozen. 16 for 1.
Needs some big hits. And this man can do it. Into the inflatables. I'm sure Niall O'Brien will be on him. Cut away. There is a fielder out there. It's high. It should be taken. Is taken. Into that surface. I think it's full pace. Pace on.
Yeah, split finger right. Pace on. Just slid on. I think Shanaka thought he should have nailed this. He tried to go up and over. Small side, yes. And Siobhan Daniel, a comfortable catch. Delight for Neesham. And the Bolts. There you go. Shanaka, just the one. 25 for 2.
Power hitter. In straight away. He's had a bit of luck. He's had a little bit of luck. This isn't a bad delivery from Jimmy Neesham. Bowled straight away. Good celebration, you beauty. Full and straight and Yorker length. And what a delivery to get rid of Hatrazilla Zazai.
It's a floaty sort of Yorker. It's a cracker. Yeah, may not be the quickest going around. Let's give her some credit for the deception of a split-fingered delivery that's nailed Zazai. Hazratullah. See you later for 17. It's 30 for 3 now.
Outside edge straight away, a run away. So like Livingston, Iftikhar has a bit of luck.
Yeah, and they say you need it in the game of cricket, any form of it.
Again gone with that full delivery. There is a little cover out there, but can he get it? No. Absolutely. Manchester United look away. It's got to be a boundary.
No contract for you there, my friends, at United.
Oh, now then, it's a nick. What a beauty this is from Mohsin. We may have talked about the deception and the dip. Have a little bit of pace and bounce as well, Liam.
Yeah, 132 clicks are saying on the speed gun. Livingston out for half a dozen as well.
Slow. Went straight through him. Wow, he's hit that hard.
Full toss. Ifty deals with it. Into the dirt. 50 comes up.
No, Jimmy. Neesham.
That's... He wants to run now. Is there a chance for a direct hit? Keeper's end. Gone. That's marvellous wicket keeping. Poor running.
Is having to go back. Great take, good hands.
Ifty, run out. He won't be happy going for 21. Now then, Shakib, he's too good a player to not find his groove. He's not happy. You can see a disconsolate shake of the head. Rashid Khan tugs one down too long on Alex Hales. He's had a really good game. Alex Hales first with bat in hand, then effecting a run out, and now pouching safely in the deep.
Yeah, he's a new man, isn't he? He's got out of bed. He's got out of the right side of the bed anyway. There's Alex Hales. Lovely half century to smash 75 not out. Now he's taken a couple of good catches. Big hands, as we keep saying, from Hales. Rashid, the trouble to score as much. Out for 5, 71 for 6.
Lovely blow. Lovely hit. Powerfully over extra cover from Faisal. Paddled. Well read from Shakib Al Hassan, because Berendorf, after going for the Yorker, Shakib knew he was going to take pace off and go into the surface. Good from the Bangladeshi. Big outside edge. Past the keeper. Pass short third. It's 4. It's not enough. They need 6 a ball. Very good bowling. It's a good shot from Shakib Al Hassan. It might even beat Alex Hales. It does, but it's a fine bit of bowling and excellent batsmanship. Hales not happy. Tugged away. Into the gap. Boundary for Faisal. 102 for 6. The Bangla Tigers finish from their allotted 10 overs. They go down by a whopping 31 runs, which is a huge win, and will give the Ajman Bolts net run rate a major boost. Now, Match-22, the first of 3 today. Ajman Bolts a really good score, 133 for 1. Finally, Alex Hales found some excellent rhythm, 75 not out from 30. Bangla Tigers, they never got going, 102 for 6. They just sludged their way to a defeat by 31 runs. Now we're just getting into the interesting phase here. How does the table look now? Ajman Bolts have nipped up a little bit, overtaken the Delhi Bulls. They're in 8th. Tigers are in 7th, but there's a lot of teams in that 4-point region. Plenty to play for. Remember, the top 5 qualify for the playoffs.